In today's video, we'll talk about something very important for influencers in UK. It is about UK taxes. Well, it may not be the most glamorous topic, but it's crucial to understand how to manage your finances as a content creator so you can be on top of your finances and manage your finances and taxes correctly. So let's go into a few details of that. Remember, for HMRC purpose, an influencer is treated as sole trader. That means you have to file your own tax return, you have to pay your own taxes, you have to keep all your records and pay your taxes on time. You've always got an option to switch into a limited company, but that's a different topic we'll discuss in later videos. Right now we look at what is treated as your income as an influencer, what expenses are allowed, and how to manage your finances and keep your tax as low as legally possible. Now we look at your incomes. As an influencer, you get your income from sponsorships, you get from brand deals, affiliate marketing, or any other source of income that you may have. You have to keep an accurate record of all your incomes from all the sources, because in your tax returns you have to add these incomes together and you will be charged tax on the profit as a result of these incomes and relevant expenses. Now when we come to your expenses as a self-employed individual, your expenses, anything that relates to your business wholly and exclusively, is treated as your business expense. As an influencer, you carry out a lot of expenses that includes your traveling, that includes your dressing, that includes your props, that includes a lot of other things depending what sort of work you are doing. For example, if you are a travel vlogger, then all your traveling expenses, the research work carried on by yourself or other professional that you have hired to assist you in finding the right location or creating the content, all of it your expense. Also, props and supplies for creating the content. Then you may have to pay certain subscriptions for certain tools or the platform that you use for your work. All your marketing and advertising, all that is included in your expenses. You may have used services of other influencers, those who work with you. Any payments you make to them is your business expense. Also, you may acquire services of certain professionals like legal professionals or accountants or designers. Any expense that is incurred wholly and exclusively for the purpose of business is your business expense, and that will reduce your taxable income, and reduction of taxable income means reduction in your taxes. Remember, you have to keep accurate record of your income and expenses. You can also claim certain allowances like first year allowance and annual year allowance that will also reduce your taxes. Now, when we discuss about incomes and business expenses, certain expenses are not allowed. You cannot claim them as your expenses. That includes anything that is not for business use and is for personal use. You cannot add it as your expense. For example, personal expenses like your mortgage payment on your personal entertainment or credit cards or rent. Personal expenses are not allowed as your business expense and you cannot deduct that. Likewise, non-business travel, that is for your personal vacations or your family vacations, you cannot deduct them as your business expense. Non-business meals, while you are working, you are paying for the meals of your staff and others while you are on the business trip. Yes, they will be your business expense, but personal meals when you're out with family and others, it may not be counted as your business expense. Use of your personal mobile phone, tablets, laptops, and other things that cannot wholly and exclusively be considered as a business expense will not be added as your expense. There's a possibility that as an influencer you may get gifts in lieu of payments. If that be the case, you have to keep a record of it, because HMRC may consider these gifts as your income because it's a gift in lieu of your payment as a return of your services. So if you need any more information, please visit our website, contact our offices, and we'll be more than happy to help you.